Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic again is on project management and a very important topic, and you can see slide which is coming in front of you. There is a radical shift in the business model in last 10 to 15 years. I can say in last 10 years, and the statistics is in front of you. The projects which change the business, the more and more resources are getting consumed there. The operation which runs the business, the less resources are consumed there. Traditionally, it was the opposite. You can see from 1910, more and more resources were given in operations, but then there's a change always over the years. But you can see beyond 2010 or 2015, you can see there's a sudden radical shift which gives an indication that projects are consuming more resources. The projects change the business, right? And less resources are getting consumed in operation. You can see this graph over here, which is the indication of what I'm telling you. So unnoticed by relentless business model, radical shift between projects and the operation. This is the information I wanted to give it to you. I request all of you to enroll in my course. The courses are in front of you. The links are in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com.